Now you are welcome to solve this problem. AB equal 40, BC equal 50, CA equal 60. Then find the value of A plus B plus C. Solution. A times B equal to 40, B times C equal to 50, C times A equal to 60. Let's assume that this is equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Let's multiply equation 1 times equation 2. So we have A times B times B times C is equal to 40 times 50. Here we have A times B square times C is equal to 40 times 50. Let's take this A after C. Here we have B square times C times A is equal to 40 times 50. Here we have, this is equation 4. Let's put 3 into 4. This is CA, we have 60. B square times C8 is equal to 60 is equal to 40 times 50. We divide both sides by 60. 60 over 60. Simplify here. So we have B square is equal to, and simplify here, 0, 66 and 40 by 2 we have 3 and 20. So B square is equal to 20 times 5, it is equal to 100 over 3. So B is equal to, the square root is plus or minus the square root of 100 over 3, which is equal to, B is equal to plus or minus square root of 100 is equal to 10 over the square root of 3. Here we rationalize the denominator, which is equal to, let's multiply by square root of 3 on the above and on denominator. Here we have plus or minus 10 square root of 3 over square root of 3 times the square root of 3, it is equal to 3. So the solution of B is equal to plus or minus 10 square root of 3 over 3. This is the value of B. Then from this value of B we can find the value of A, having A times B equal to 40. From 1, which is equal to A times B equal to 40. So we have A times 10 square root of 3 over 3, which is equal to 40. Then 10a square root of 3 over 3 is equal to 40 over 1. We multiply 3 by 40 and 1 by this. So we have 10a square root of 3, which is equal to 3 times 4 is 120. So a is equal to, we divide both sides by 10 square root of 3, 10 square root of 3, which is equal to 120 over 10 square root of 3. We simplify. So we have a is equal to 12 over square root of 3. Let's multiply by square root of 3 above and square root of 3 below. So a is equal to 12 square root of 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3. Sorry. Simplify. This is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4 square root of 3. This is the solution of a. And then we have equation 3, which is equal to, from equation 3, which is c times a is equal to 60. So having the solution of a, which is c times a is equal to 4 square root of 3. 4 square root of 3 is equal to 60. We divide both sides by 4 square root of 3, 4 square root of 3. So we have a c, which is equal to, simplify here and here, 60 over 4 square root of 3. Simplify 60 and 4. 60 and 4, it is equal to 60 over 2, it is 30. 30 over 2, it is 15. So c is equal to 15 over square root of 3. Let's multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. Here we have c is equal to 15 square root of 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3. So the value of c is equal to, let's simplify this. Here we have 5, 1. This is 5 square root of 3. This is the value of c. Then from our problem, we asked to find the value of a plus b plus c is equal to a is equal to 4 square root of 3, 4 square root of 3, and then b is equal to, let's take a positive sign. B is equal to 10 square root of 3 over 3. 10 square root of 3 over 3. And c, it is equal to 5 square root of 3. This is equal to, let's put on common denominator. This is 1 here. 3 over 1, it is equal to 3, times 4 is equal to 12 square root of 3, plus 3 over 3 is equal to 1 times 10 is equal to 10 square root of 3 plus 3 over 1 is equal to 3 times 5 is equal to 15 square root of 3, which is equal to 12. This is common square root of 3. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22 plus 15 is equal to 37 square root of 3 over 3. This is the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 37 square root of 3 over 3. This is the solution of this problem. Let's check. Checking from equation 1, a times b equal to 40. We have a, which is equal to 4 square root of 3 times b. b is equal to 10 square root of 3 over 3. Is it equal to 40? So we have 4 times 10 is equal to 40 times square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3 over 3. Is it equal to 40? Simplify this. So we have 40 equal to 40. This is true. And then equation 2. Equation 2, we have b times c equal to 50. So b is equal to 10 square root of 3 over 3 times c. c it is equal to 5 square root of 3. Is it equal to 50? This 10 times 5 is equal to 50 times square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3 over 3. Is it equal to 50? Simplify. So 50 is equal to 50. This is true. Then equation 3. Equation 3 is c times a equal to 60. So c is equal to 5 square root of 3 times a. a is equal to 4 square root of 3. Is it equal to 60? So 5 times 4 it is equal to 20 times square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3. Is it equal to 60? So 20 times 3 is equal to 60, which is equal to 60. This is 2. So this equation has the solution a plus b plus c is equal to 37 square root of 3 over 3. This is correct. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and open the notification for more videos. Thank you and goodbye.